Carrie Marie. I am so thrilled that you are here to explore an incredible opportunity with a rapidly growing health and wellness company. Our mission is to empower individuals to enhance their health, boost their finances, and make a positive impact in the lives of others and their families. In the following video, you'll hear from our CEO, Aspen Emery, who will share more about this exciting venture. Stay tuned after her message to learn more about exclusive benefits available when you join our team.
Welcome to this quick snapshot of Bravenly. I am so excited to give you your initial quick peek. We started our company, my husband and I and our family, back in 2020 on the pillars of courage, integrity, and impact. We made a decision to create our dream company that could become a dream company for you and so many others. We are a family-owned, faith-based company who's experiencing tremendous growth right now. We have high-impact products that give you long-term benefits, and our customer reorder rate is consistent and it's very high because people reorder when they get results. We've got field and corporate network marketing experience, so we've been in your shoes, and we also have traditional business experience, so we know what it looks like to strategize and build towards a strong future. We wanted to create a company where anybody could win with zero experience or top leader experience. We wanted to create a space for you. We have a community unlike any other community you would see in this industry. The systems we have created at Bravenly, the training, the support, all the ready-to-go materials. We have a Bravenly Home website that has 15 days worth of onboarding, tasks, and information where brand new people can go and be step-by-step guided through what it looks like to launch their business. And the whole rest of the website is full of a beautiful social library with all sorts of lifestyle images done for you, ready-to-go scripts, product information, how to explain the product, all the resources, and all the information you could ever want about our compensation plan. We have our Bravenly Builder app, any tool that you could need at your fingertips we have. As a former school teacher, it was important to me to make sure that our team was equipping you and all the brand partners at Bravenly for success. Our products give instant and long-term results, and many of them you'll see are multi-beneficial. So you're going to want to take a look at some of your favorite products here, know what some of your health goals are, or maybe some of your pain points in your health journey. But whether it's gut health, whether you're looking for energy, mood support, sleep support, or a good old reset, Bravenly's naturopathic doctor formulated products could be key to that health experience. You can see that we bundle many of them together to help give results. Some results are weight loss results, and some results are internal results with sleep, mood, energy, focus, gut health, and mental support, that brain health element with some of our functional mushrooms and some other key botanicals in our products. What if by sharing a link to a Bravenly website, you could let your work ethic write your paycheck, make an impact from your phone, building in person or on social or both, pay off debt, create multiple streams of income, but more importantly, know your team is winning. People are more important than profits to us, and let you feel passionate and aligned in a space of creating extra income or replacement income for your family. We have the systems and we have the best resources in this industry. You can be a VIP customer and save money and get perks. You can be an affiliate and share a link and sell product to customers and other affiliates, or you can lock arms with us as a brand partner and do this and not miss the moment, not miss the momentum that's happening at Bravenly. Earn with the 10 ways to earn, get the website, the tools, the training, the recognition that you deserve, and be a part of a sensational community and be on your path to what it is that you are craving and called to do in your life. You are invited, my friend, to be a part of Bravenly and experience what is happening here with us.
Thank you so much for watching. By partnering with me, you will gain access to the Empowered Living Academy, offering resources and trainings to boost your confidence, manage your time effectively, enhance your communication skills, and so much more. Plus, you will be invited to group coaching sessions, including cellular alignments that are designed to help you to overcome challenges that you may be having in life, in business, and also to achieve your goals fast. To learn more and to get started, visit the link in the description, and I look forward to connecting with you soon.